We will make revision for the previous questions. I give it to you. Now all of you can see my paper. All of you can see my paper?
Yes.
Okay. The previous question, he said if the perimeter of a face of a cube is 20, he give me the perimeter equals 20 centimeter. And he says that find its lateral area and total area. Okay, to find the lateral area and total area, we should have the area of one face. And the area of the face of cube, I should get the length or the side length of this cube. So, from the perimeter here, I get the side lengths. The side lengths equals. We know that the perimeter is equals side length multiply 4. Is that right? Guys, you with me? Grade 6.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So, the perimeter is side multiply 4. This is the perimeter. When I want to get the side, I make perimeter divide by 4. The perimeter here is 20. Divide by 4, it equals 5 centimeter. Now I get the side lengths. To get the lateral area and total area, I should get the area of one face. So, the area of one face of cube equals, I have the side length 5, so the area is side length multiply itself. It's 5 multiply 5 because the side length here is 5. 5 times 5, it equals 25 squared centimeter. I get the area of one face. Then I should get the lateral area and total area. We know that the rule of the lateral area equals the area of one face multiply 4, right? The lateral area, the area of one face multiply 4. The area of one face, I get it 25 multiply 4. It equals 100 squared centimeter. The total area. It's the area of one face, area of one face, but when I want to get the total, I multiply by 6 faces. Multiply 6. The area of one face, it's a 25. Multiply 6, it's 150 squared centimeter. Any question here?
Yes.
Any question?
No.
أيوة.
Yes.
أنا هو في اللي هو the area of one face cube equals 5 multiply 5. هي 5 الثانية دي كانت منين؟
Okay, area of one face, the area of the cube, it's equals the side length multiply itself. مش البريمتر side length multiply 4 والarea side length multiply itself.
Yeah.
You understand it now?
Yeah.
Okay, any questions?
No.
Okay, let's move to the other thing. We got the lateral area and total area of cuboid. Okay, we have two rules here. The lateral area of cuboid it's equals the lateral area of cuboid, it's equals the perimeter of the base the perimeter of the base multiply height. So if I have here cuboid, if I have cuboid, when I wanna get the lateral area, I get the area of the perimeter of the base, the perimeter of this base, multiply the height. Easy? I think it's so easy, right?
Yes.
This rule. Okay, but when I wanna get the total area, it's equals the lateral area plus 2 multiply the area of one base. The area of one base. Why? Here we have the cuboid. The total area means I get the area of all the cuboid. It's the lateral area. The lateral area means the red side here, the red face here, and this face, and the face in the back, and the face here. This is the lateral area. Plus I have how many bases? Up and down. I have base up and down. I have 2 bases, so I make 2 multiply the area of one base because we have 2 bases, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, Miss, I can't understand this part.
Okay. We have 2 rules to use it. When he asks from you to get the lateral area, you get the perimeter of the base, down or up, because we have 2 bases in the cuboid. You get the, okay, just wait a minute. Here we have the cuboid. This is the cuboid, okay? We have 2 bases, the base down and base up. But the other sides like this, it's the lateral of the cuboid. When I want to get the lateral area, I get the perimeter of this base. I get the perimeter of this base multiply the height. الهايت اللي هو الحتة دي. This is the height. Okay? But when I want to get the total area, total means I get all the cuboid. It's equals the lateral area means the pink one here. The lateral area plus area of the base, but how many bases I have? 2. So I said 2 multiply area of one base. We will solve questions and it's gonna be easy for you.
Okay.
Okay. He said that a box shaped, a cuboid box. A cuboid box is 6 centimeters long. It's 6 centimeters long. 4 centimeters width. 4 centimeters width and 7 centimeters height. Find the lateral area and total area. He said to me that a box is centimeter long. Centimeter long means it's the length. So our length now is equal 6 centimeters. And he said 4 centimeter width. So the width it's equals 4 centimeters. And 7 centimeter height. So the height here is equals 7 centimeters. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. He wanted from me to get the lateral area. So I know that the lateral area equals the perimeter of a base multiply height. Okay, I have the height. He gave me the height is 7, but I have the perimeter of the base? No. He said to me a cuboid box. That means I have a cuboid here. Anyone can tell me the base of cuboid, it looks like what? The base
Rectangle.
rectangle. So I should get the perimeter of rectangle. The perimeter of the base والبيز اللي هو rectangle. Okay, the perimeter of rectangle equals what? Anyone can remember?
دوت
What? The perimeter of rectangle, it equals what?
Length by width.
Length multiply width, so this is the area.
length plus width multiply 2.
Excellent يا عمر. Length plus width multiply 2. So get the perimeter. Length multiply width. Sorry, length plus width multiply 2. So it's equals, the length is 6 plus width is 4 multiply 2. 6 plus 4 it's equals 10 multiply 2 it's equals 20 centimeter. So I get the perimeter here. Can I get the lateral area? Yes, of course. The lateral area equals the perimeter is 20 multiply height, and the height is 7. So 20 multiply 7 it equals 140 square centimeter. Any questions about the lateral area? In the lateral area? Okay. The total area. To get the total area, please turn off your microphone until I ask you the questions. The total area, it's equals the lateral area plus 2 multiply the area of the base. Okay. It's the lateral area. I have it. Yes, I have it here. I get it. Plus 2 multiply the area of the base. I have the area of the base? No. So I should get the area of the base first. So the area of the base, and the base here is rectangle. So the area, like you said before, it's length multiply width. It's equals 6 multiply 4. It's equals 24 squared centimeter. Don't forget the squared because this is area. But in the perimeter, I said centimeter only. Okay, now I just put the number. To get the total area, it's lateral area. The lateral area is 140. Plus, I put 2. Multiply. The area of one base is, the area of the base, I get it, 24. When you make it, it's equals 188 squared centimeter. So now I get the literal area and the total area of cuboid. It's easy or not? Any questions? Any questions?
أنا فهمت في التوتال اريا تاني.
What, which part? I can't hear you, Omar. Which part?
اللي هي من ساعة اللي هي the area of the base اللي بعدها بقى.
The area of the base. Okay. بص يا عمر, to get the total area, I should have the lateral area. I bring it. The lateral area, I bring it. Plus to multiply the area of one base. I should get the area of one base. So the area of one base, it's equals length multiply width, because the base here is rectangle. So I get the area, length multiply width, 6 multiply 4 equals 24. Then I gonna put the numbers. The lateral area I get it with 140. I put it down. Plus, I put 2. Multiply the area of the base. The area of the base I get it with 24. When I make it, it's 140 plus 2 multiply 4. 2 multiply 24, it's equals 48. So 140 plus 48, it's equals 188. Now it's easy, Omar?
Yeah.
Okay. Another question. He said to you that the inner dimensions of a swimming pool are, he give you the inner dimensions, 24 centimeter, meter, 16 meter, and 3.5 meter. That means, he said the dimensions, that means this is the length, this is width, and this is height, because this is dimensions. He said to you that it's necessary to cover it, its inner floor and sides with square-shaped ceramic tiles of side length 20 centimeters. Okay. He wanna to make a square-shaped ceramic. So I'm gonna make the swimming pool, and it looks like a cuboid because he give you dimensions, length, width, and height. But in the cube, we don't have length, width, and height because all the sides are equal. Okay? The length here is 24, and the width is 16. And we know that the height is 3.5. He asked from you to get the lateral area and the total area. Anyone can help me to get the lateral area? You have length, width, and height. We put the rules and get the lateral area. Who
Yeah,
said
me.
Me.
Who said me?
Farida.
Farida. Okay, Farida. Huh?
Miss, can you say the question again, because I can see it. It's not clear.
Now it's clear for you? He give you
It's
here the 3 dimensions, the length 24 meter, width 16 meter, and height 3.5 meter. He wanted from you to get the lateral area and the total area.
Okay, the lateral. I'll get the face first.
The base, yes, first. Huh?
The base.
Can we put the rule first? The lateral area is the perimeter of the base multiply height. So I should get the perimeter of the
Base.
base. Okay. Get the perimeter of the base.
24 plus 16 multiply to.
Yes, it's length plus width multiply 2. So it's a 24 plus 16 multiply 2. Huh? It's equals
Wait. 24 plus 16 multiply 2 equals 80.
yes, because it's 40 multiply 2, it's equals 80. Huh?
80 centimeters.
No.
It's the perimeter.
Yeah.
It's centimeters.
No. Look to the length and width and height. Here. It is Meter.
Meter.
It's not
Yeah.
centimeter, it's 80 meter, okay?
Okay.
Okay, how we can get now the lateral area?
The lateral area, we will get the face multiply 4.
The face multiply 4.
No.
كده نكتب the rule again. The lateral area equals the perimeter of the base multiply height. So the lateral area
8 multiply 80, sorry, multiply.
Yes. 80 because the perimeter is 80, we get it here 80. The perimeter we get it 80. Multiply
3.5.
height
3.5.
is equals
3.5.
3.5. Yes, it's 80 multiply 3.5. It's equals, huh? You know?
Yes.
Huh?
It's equal to 180. 180.
280, huh?
280 square centimeters.
Centimeter برضو?
Meter.
Yes, it's a squared meter. Okay, now yeah, Farida, you get the lateral area. Thanks, Farida. This is a lateral area and total area of the cube and cuboid, and we take it. Let's move to the other lesson. The other lesson is representing data by using circular sectors, but I don't explain it today because we have to have a protractor on something else. So I'll explain it in the next session, inshallah. But we will now explain the random experiment.
Yes, but I have the protractor.
Okay, but I don't have it. I'm sorry. So, the random experiment. What is the meaning of random experiment? If you have a box, and this box contains 3 balls, red, yellow, green. When you select a box, when you select a ball, can you tell me which color you will get it? Anyone can tell me? I put a box and inside it 3 balls, red, yellow, and green. Okay?
Red.
If I pick up a 1 ball, can you tell me which color I'll get it?
Red.
No, it's not sure. Maybe red,
Yellow.
maybe yellow, maybe green. So you are sure which ball you will choose it?
No.
No. If you are not sure, this is random experiment. Because I'm not sure, I called it random experiment. But if I have box and it contains 3 balls, they are red. All of them red. When you pick up a book, when you pick up a ball, it's gonna be
Red.
red because I don't have any color or any another color. So I am sure it's gonna be red. So this is not a random experiment. So the random experiment, I should have different things. I should have different numbers. I should have different colors, different things. Okay. If you have a coin, and you're gonna tossing this coin, this is random experiment or not?
Random experiment.
Random, because maybe I get head, maybe I get tail, and I'm not sure. If you have a die, it's a random experiment or not? You have a die, huh?
Random.
Yes,
Random.
it's random because if I have a die and I'm playing like Bank al-Haz, right? I don't know, and I'm not sure if I get number 1 or number 2 or number 3 or number 4 or number 5 or number 6. Okay. He said to you that write the sample space, something called sample space. Write the sample space of the following. He said tossing coin 1, tossing a coin once. When I tossing the coin once, maybe I get what or what?
Tail
Or
head.
head. Yes, maybe I get head and I called it H. Maybe I get tail and it's T. So I'm not sure if I get head or get tail. So the sample space is how many possible things I got it. 2. It's head and tail. So the sample space said to me that maybe you get head, maybe you get tail. Easy?
Easy.
Easy.
Yes.
So the number of the sample space, how many? How many? How many here?
2.
Possible things? 2, 1, 2.
Yes.
So the number of sample space is 2. It's easy or not? Okay. Number 2. When you're rolling a die once. When you're rolling a die once, maybe you get what or what or what or what?
1,
1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, great. So the sample space it's equals, huh? Maybe you get 1 or
1,
2.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, this is the sample space. Anyone can tell me the number of sample space? How many? It's 6. Easy?
Easy.
Okay. Number 3. Number 3. If you're drawing a ball, from a bag, it contains 1 black, 1 red, 1 yellow, and 1 white. Huh. You have a bag and you will pick up a ball. You have 1 black ball, 1 red ball, 1 yellow ball, 1 white ball. Anyone can tell me the sample space it's equals what? When you choose or pick up 1 ball, maybe it's gonna be
Black, red, yellow,
yes,
and white.
White.
red, yellow, or
And
white.
white.
Yes.
4.
So can you tell me the number of sample space now?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, great.
4.
It's easy or not?
Easy.
Okay.
Easy.
Concentrate with me in this question. Concentrate with me in this question. If he said that, write the sample space write the sample space of tossing 2 coins. 2 coins. I have 2 coins once. And give the number of its elements.
Number of 6.
Yes. Okay. How many coins I have it?
2.
Two
Two.
coins. So I have the first coin and I have second coin, right? I have first
Yeah.
and I have second coin, and I should write sample space.
Okay.
Okay. The first coin, if I have the first coin and I'm gonna to think, maybe I get what or what?
Head or tail?
Yes, maybe I get head, maybe I get tail. Okay. In the same time, I tossing the first coin, I get head. When I tossing the second coin, maybe I get what?
Tail.
Tail.
Tail or
Head.
Head.
head. That means when I tossing the coin, the second coin with the first coin, maybe it's a head, maybe it's a tail. Okay. When I tossing the first coin and I get the tail, the first coin is tail. So the second coin, when I tossing it, maybe I get what or what?
Head or
Head.
tail.
Head or tail. That means the sample space, the first coin it's head, maybe the second coin will be head. So both of them is head, head. But maybe if the first coin head, the second coin be tail, right? So it's a
Head
head.
and tail.
Maybe the first coin is tail and the second coin is gonna be head. Tail and head. Maybe the first coin is tail and the second coin is gonna be tail. So tail and tail. So now my sample space it's equals. We said head and head, head and tail, tail and head, and tail and
Tail
tail,
and head.
right?
Tail and tail.
Yes. So he said to me that give the number of the elements. Number of the elements, that means the number of the sample space. What is the number of the sample space? I have it.
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 sample space. Easy?
Yeah.
It's easy?
Yeah.
Okay. Another question?
Okay.
Okay. From the set of digits,
What?
you have digits 4 and 5. You have digits 4 and 5. An number is formed from 2 digits. Determine the sample space and the number of elements. Okay.
Me.
Guys, here in this question, I have the set of digits and I have digits of 4 and 5. He said to me that a number formed from 2 digits. Number formed from what? 2 digits.
2 digits.
That means I have units and tens, right? The 2 digits, it's unit and tens. So I have unit, digit, and I have tens, digit. And I write the sample space. Okay. The tens digit, maybe it's what or what?
4 or 5.
Yes, the tens digit may be 4, maybe 5. Okay.
5.
When you put the tens 4, you maybe put the unit is
5.
5. Or maybe the unit is gonna be
4.
4. Okay. When the tens is 5, maybe the unit gonna be
4.
4. Or the units will be
5.
5.
5. Yes. That means my sample space is 45 or 44. Maybe it's 54
54,
or
5,
55. So the sample space it's equals 45, 44,
4,
54, 55. So now the number of the sample space it's equals
4.
4 because
4.
we have 4 numbers. Easy or not?
Easy.
Okay. I want from all of you to take a one and think about it, and we will explain it in the next session. You will write it with me, okay?
Okay.
A box. A box contains 3 balls. A box contains 3 balls. One of them is white. One of them is white, and the second is red. And second is red, and the third is black. Find the sample space and the number of elements. Okay, in this case, I draw in the ball. I draw in 2 balls. Don't forget to write draw in 2 balls. Draw in 2 balls, one after the other. So I take 1 ball, then I pick up the second, then I pick up the third.